everybody, this is Matt with Freedom Powersports McKinney. I want to invite you to come check out our dealership. We're conveniently located off of Highway 75 and 380 in McKinney. We're your one-stop shop for anything powersports. Hope to see you out here.
How you doing? This is Jay, the sales manager here at Freedom Powersports McKinney. Come check out our full line of slingshots and Vanderhalls. We also carry a full line of Indian motorcycles, and of course used. If on-road's not your thing, we do have off-road, Can-Am and Polaris. Also the amazing seating. Come check out our showroom and talk to any of our fully knowledgeable sales staff.
Hey, Tyson here with Freedom Powersports McKinney. I'm in the service department. Just want to say hi to y'all. We got 4 specially trained technicians who can take care of anything from your on-road, your off-road, your personal watercraft. If you have any questions or need, just give us a call, just stop by. Again, my name's Tyson. Hope to see you out there.
Hello Powersports enthusiasts, my name is Josh, parts manager here at Freedom Powersports McKinney. Inviting you down to come check out our full lineup of parts and accessories for your on-road, off-road, and watercraft machines. From wheels and tires to stage 3 engine modifications. Come down and see us, check out our fun environment, and we'll treat you like family.